Depositing a check at an ATM is a convenient way to manage your finances. And US Bank makes it easy. To get started, make sure you have a US Bank account and a debit card. Locate a US Bank ATM near you. You can do this by visiting the US Bank website or using their mobile app. Begin by inserting your debit card into the ATM and entering your PIN. Select the deposit option from the menu, and choose the account where you want to deposit the check. Endorse the check by signing your name on the back. This is a crucial step as it confirms that you are the owner of the check. Insert the check into the ATM. The machine will guide you through the process. The ATM will scan the check and display the amount. Verify that the amount is correct before proceeding. If everything is in order, confirm the deposit and the ATM will dispense a receipt. It is essential to keep the receipt as a record of the transaction. US Bank will also send you a confirmation email or text message once the deposit is processed. The funds will typically be available in your account within 1 to 2 business days, depending on the type of check and your account status. To avoid any issues, ensure that the check is properly endorsed and the ATM is working correctly. If you encounter any problems, you can contact US Bank customer service for assistance. Depositing a check at a US Bank ATM is a quick and easy process. Just follow these steps and you will be done in no time. Remember to always review your account activity regularly to ensure that the deposit was processed correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently deposit a check at a US Bank ATM and manage your finances with ease.